Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Before printing worksheets, apply your desired page setup settings to them by using the Page Setup dialog box. After that, you should examine how the worksheets will print without printing several copies until they are correct and wasting paper. Excel provides another worksheet view called Print Preview to help you with this. In Print Preview, you can see how your worksheet will appear on paper according to the specifications you've set in the Page Setup dialog box. To view your currently opened worksheet in Print Preview, click the File tab in the ribbon. Then click the Print command at the left side of the Backstage view. In the section to the right, various printing options you have already set within the Page Setup dialog box then appear. The print preview of your workbook then appears to the right of those options. Two buttons appear in the far lower right corner of the Backstage view at this point. You can click the Show Margins toggle button to toggle the display of the margins on the page within the print preview on and off each time you click the button. You can also click the Zoom to Page toggle button to switch the print preview between displaying one full page and displaying a magnified version of the page, which you can then scroll through to inspect the data more closely. Also note that if you are printing multiple sheets, you can click the small left and right pointing arrows at the bottom of the print preview to scroll through the sheets to print. To display a page-by-page number on screen in the print preview, click directly into the number box between the small left and right arrows at the bottom of the print preview, type the page number of the page to view, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard. As you preview your worksheet pages, you can set any additional printing settings in the print area in the Backstage view. In the Print section, enter the number of copies to print into the Copies spinner box or click the adjacent small up and down arrows to enter the total number of copies to print. To select the name of the printer to which to print the worksheets, use the Printer drop-down. In the Settings section, use the first drop-down to select what to print within the workbook. You can select either Print Active Sheets, Print Entire Workbook, Print Selection, or Print Selected Table. Note that the Print Selected Table option only appears as a choice if you have inserted a table into your worksheet. Also note that you can save time when printing multiple worksheets in the same workbook by first selecting the sheets to print as a group and then printing them. To do this, first select the sheets to print as a group in the workbook. Then, in the Print section, ensure the Print Active Sheets choice is selected. Also note that you can choose to ignore any print area restrictions set by users on the printable areas of the worksheet by selecting the Ignore Print Area option at the bottom of this drop-down if needed. To only print a specified range of pages in the current printout, enter a starting page number into the Pages field, and then enter an ending page number into the To field. You can then set multi-page printing or duplexing options, as well as collation options, by using the next available drop-downs. The last few drop-downs let you change any settings you could also change by using the Page Setup dialog box, like page orientation, paper type, margins, and scaling. After setting your printing options, click the large Print button at the top of the Print section to begin printing.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.